Hello everyone. So I have these 2 paper bags and some old pieces of pattern paper. Well, not pattern paper, but the directions to a pattern. So I was thinking I'm gonna make these decorate the bags. We'll see how well it goes, but I was just thinking this would work perfectly to cover the bags up and still somewhat, go with the theme of everything. So, let's see here. Was that the S? Yeah. But I figured this would definitely help make this really cute, but at the same time, not like batter it. And I'm okay with it looking all ripped up. I just want to use this as the background because I am trying to make a sewing journal, so we want it to somewhat look good. Somewhat be to the point, right? I got like embossing powder from a different project, like everywhere. It seems like. Glue. I have a royal mess on my one side of my table, but that's okay. Again, I'm just trying to make this look good. A little bit here. There. Go on that part. No. I know I want certain pieces to be seen, so I'm making sure I rip it accordingly. Okay. Know that part is going to be the corner here. So got some babysitting to do tonight. I went to the wedding, went to the family event. My uncle is moving to Florida, which is weird to hear, but he's moving to Florida. I'm guessing for a job. Ooh, I completely forgot about distressing this. There. It's distressed. trying to quickly get this glued together. Alright, and that's the end of this one. So I'm trying to peel off this glue part off of it. I'm going to just take it down the side here. So we'll be reusing this paper in the back of tags or journaling cards. I try my best to not throw every little tiny piece away. Now I need my other glue book. It should be right here. Alright, now this time I want this bottom half to be this part. So I know it's kind of weird that I'm doing it this way, but I want to make sure I get that part that I want cut off. And it does say copyright on it. So again, it's just old pattern paper. I don't think anybody styles change so quickly anyways, especially when it comes down to stuff like fashion. It's hard to keep track. And I forgot to distress it. There. Sometimes that happens, you forget to distress. So you just make it work. I want this part for sure to be done. So do it that way. There we go. This time, let's distress it before it gets put on, right? And we're going to glue it. There we go. Now I'm going to distress all the way around it, so bits and pieces of this might seem darker in a moment, but that's okay. Again, sometimes it helps it look even more grungy doing it two separate ways instead of the same way. So there we go. We got our 2 pockets here going. I'll be gluing this part. And if you're wondering where I got these bags, I just tried finding the smallest paper bag I could find on Amazon. That's how I did it. I knew, like, I wanted it to be what was this? I wanted it to be, so it's 3.5 by 6 3/4. But I knew I wanted something that was close to 4 and close to 5. So I just found the closest number to what I wanted. Now if you want them a little bigger, base it off of that, is my answer to you. Base your number off of what you think you want. I'm covering up that part. I don't really care for that shirt being where it's at, but I really like that simplicity on it, so goes out to whatever you want it to look like. Now I'm just thinking if we could add a little bit of this maybe to the sides, a side. Yeah, let's do that. Just cut off a little bit here. Well, as I said before, I'm trying my best to add as much fabric and stuff to these as I possibly can, just to give it a different look than what I normally do. I mean, I normally do add texture, don't get me wrong, but I don't normally add it to everything I do, like I'm trying to do with this journal. Trying to add as much texture to it as I can. Now I'm wondering if I should add some buttons to this. I know, it's so strange. Buttons. I don't think I feel like buttons, but I do see these postage stamps, and I was thinking, something I do need to buy a little bit more of, but that's okay. Just a cute little postage stamp on the corner there. Yeah. Alright. Well, I think these are going to be the last of the pockets that I make. I now need to start adding things to my pockets, but we'll first add these 2 pieces in to our journal. I was thinking somewhere around here, because there's one here. So what if we, yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Actually, I'm gonna make this into a tuck spot. Okay, and then go to our other side. And again, I'm going to make this one into a tuck. So technically it has 1, 2, and then 3. So now I've got to figure out how many tags I need and everything. But I just wanted to show you how I do sometimes my paper bag pieces. So the next time we're together, I'll be working on tags with you. I hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial video. Have a great day or night. Bye.